Hey, Mom, we're on the Princess Cruises. We're in a bar next to the window, drinking our drink of choice.
Hot tea.
Hot tea.
It's breakfast tea.
My name is Fortuna Luck. I am your resident bingo host and painting expert here on board. And I am joined this morning by my resident bingo buddy and sidekick, Will
Oh, I got triple.
I got
I got two triples. Oh, who's going to get the bid? Who's going to get the most wilds here? All right.
Alright, here we go.
The first one. All right, I got it. All right, you got yours continuing. Mine, you got double here. That's the time you get to continue. All right, here we go. Oh, mine died. Oh, okay, come on. We need dynamites. Dynamite. Nope, nothing for me. Oh, no, last chance for dynamite.
Good evening, Grand Princess. Thank you so much for that whistle. I'm blinded by the lights, but that's very generous. How are you all? Are you well? Oh, good. You sound full of beans and raring to go, which is what I like to hear.
You guys wave great.
Yes. Welcome to 1-5 bar.
Excellent. It looks great.
10 o'clock. Yes.
All right.
We have our dance floor over there, and we have DJ.
Sounds good. Ooh, fancy. Great window.
I'm very honored to announce that I am going to be your bingo host for this. We got several players one match away from bingo. Who is going to take it? Next ball. I-20.
Keep it going. All right, dynamite. All right, here we go. Come on, dynamite. Oh no! Oh no! I got my wild fell. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. Did you get your dynamite? No. Thank you. Mine's continuing.
Good. Let's go.
All right, let's go. Big time. All right, looking for dynamite. Dynamite. Oh,
Come on.
but dynamite. Oh no! One last chance. If they get a dynamite here and dynamite here, it's going. Where's the dynamite? Oh.
We're going to start with some class and elegance and a little bit of rocking out. Are you in the mood for that? All right, well, say no more. Please would you welcome to the stage, everyone. It's Chris Lash, ladies and gents.
Grand Princess, you ready to rock out tonight? Make some noise! Alright, come on. Let me dance, come on. Alright, I know you know this song. Yo, sing it with me now. Are you ready? Let's do it. She was just 17, desperation's great balls of fire. Should we keep it going?
I think I scared everyone off the dance floor.
Bingo! All right!
Oh, I got a triple.
Oh, good.
Alright, got a triple. Ready? Here we go. Come on, dynamites. Let's see some dynamites. Drop that dynamite. Oh. Come on, we need just one dynamite. There we go. Now we got total 2 out. One in the front, a triple or double. Baby, triple. Alright. No, dynamite. It's a win. It's a win, but we need a dynamites. Here we go. Dynamites. Go. It's a win, though. All right. Last chance. Come on, dynamites. There it is. Everyone in the end there. Excellent. Just one more in the end there, and this could be good. We need a dynamite here. We need a dynamite here. Come on. Okay, that's the dynamite. That's the dynamite. That's a good win. Alright, here we go. Getting intense. It's getting intense. Dynamite! I saw it! Oh, diamond! Alright, here we go. Last chance. We need a dynamite. Dynamite! Right there. Dynamite! Oh. My ace is all the way across.
Here they come. Give some noise to Satori!
You better let somebody love you before it's too late.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Satori! They are Satori, everyone! Good night!
It's a beautiful view, except it's raining window.
It's okay. Don't worry about it. It's not a big deal.